In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp not sending photos or videos if your images or clips keep hanging on the upload screen. These quick checks will usually sort it out. We'll move from connection basics to app settings, so you can share smoothly again. Start by checking your internet connection. Media needs a steady upload and a weak signal is the most common culprit. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which is more reliable. Use your quick settings to toggle Wi-Fi off and try mobile data. Then switch back. Send one small photo as a test. If you are on Wi-Fi, stand closer to the router and avoid crowded public hotspots. If you are on mobile data and the signal is low, wait for a stronger connection or move to a better spot. Once the network is stable, try the photo or video again. If that doesn't help, restart your device. A reboot clears temporary glitches and refreshes the link between your phone and WhatsApp. Power off, wait 10 to 15 seconds. Then power back on. Open WhatsApp afterward and resend the file. This quick step often resolves stuck uploads. Next, verify storage space. WhatsApp needs room to process media before it sends. Aim for at least 1 GB free. Open Settings, check storage to see what's available. If you are low, remove files you don't need or clear large downloads. With space freed up, try sending again. Also, update WhatsApp to the latest version. Outdated builds can cause compatibility issues that break media uploads. Open your App Store, search for WhatsApp and tap Update if it appears. When the update finishes, fully close and reopen the app, then send your photo or video again. Finally, on Android, check app permissions. WhatsApp must access your photos, videos, or device storage to attach files. Go to Settings, open Apps, choose WhatsApp, then Permissions. Ensure photos and videos or storage is set to allow. If you denied access before, switch it back on and test by attaching a photo. That's it. Thanks for watching.